Namaste children, welcome back to English class. In previous class, we saw a poem from the course book. What is the name of the poem? On Wings of Sleep. Let's go for a small recap. So, on wings of sleep, I dreamt and flew across the valley, drenched in dew. So, a boy had a dream. So, in the dream, he started to fly. So, he crossed the valley in drenched in dew. That means it is that the valley is fully covered with dew. There is a droplets of water. And then over the rooftop into the forest. Over the rooftop means above. He started to fly above the forest. And swooping low, suddenly he moved downwards. Where the sambar bell? So sambar is a kind of deer. So it is making some sound. What is that? Bell. Bell means it's a sound of the deer. And the peacock flew. So he saw some sights in the forest. And the dawn broke. A rose pink behind the mountain. A dawn broke. So when it is the time to sunrise, so the whole mountain is fully colored with the pink, rose pink. And the river ran silver and gold. So the river ran. So the river, when the sun rays reflected to the river, so we can see the color. The river of color is silver and gold. And as I glided over the trees, so as I glided means what? Floating. So move smoothly to the over the trees, above the trees, drifting with the dawn breeze. Drifting means floating with the gentle breeze. Okay children, let's move to the today's session. Today we are going to see the second and third stanza. Across the river, over the fields of corn, and the world awoke to a new day and a new dawn. So across the river, so he is crossing the river and above the fields of corn. So that area which is cultivated the corn. So he is crossing over the corn. That is a corn field. And the world awoke. So it's a time to awoke. The world is awoke. The world is awoke means what? Awaking. Okay. And to a new day. So when it is a morning, it becomes a new day and a new dawn. So let's move on to the third stanza. Time to fly home as the sun grows red and anger. Ready to cinch my wings, I return to my sleeping form, creaking bed and dusty window pane, to dream of flying with the winds again. So, a time to fly. So, it's a time to return back to his home. And why is that's a time? Why he said that it's a time to fly? Because it's a time to sunrise. So, it's a time to sunrise now. So, he wanted to return back to his home. And then as the sun rose red and angry, so the sun rises. So, the sun is rising. So, how it is? It looks like the sun looks as a red and angry. So, the angry is saying that the sun looks very red in color. Ready to cinch my wings, I return to my sleeping form. So, he is ready to cinch, that is burn slightly. He wanted to burn his wings because he wanted to return back to his sleeping form. So, I return to my sleeping form. He wanted to return to his sleeping position. And then creaking bed and the dusty window pane. Creaking bed means making some sound. So when the bed or table is shaking, in that we can hear some sound. So that sound we called as a creaking. Okay. So the creaking, he wanted to return back to the creaking bed and the dirty window pane. And to dreams of flying with the wind again. So he longs to get back to the dream of world again. So he wanted to dream like this. He wanted to dream like this. So he likes to dream like this. Okay. Okay children. We come to the end of the poem. Children, I hope you enjoy the poem well. Thank you.